Hey man, say man. It's your boy Beau Rakes, man. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Beau Rakes, Big Spew the Blessing, coming to you live from Tokyo, Japan. Oh my God. I know. I hadn't been making no YouTube videos, but bear with me. Spew been busy. I'm making my way back to Southeast Asia, wherever I live at. But I realized every time I come to Japan, I really hadn't made no content. So, if y'all can see that map, that's where I'm at. This is a view from the room. This is the smallest room you will see. I'm gonna give y'all a tour in a minute, but this is Shinjuku, Japan, Tokyo. Now, this room is almost, okay, you can look it up, Shinjuku. Only got one room key, so don't let me get locked out, y'all. All right. It's your boy the Blessing. When I got the jersey, I had about the clothes, man. I ain't had no clothes. This room is almost $200 a night. I think it's $175, $180 a night. Don't ask me why. You can look it up and double check and verify. I've been living, I was living at the Hilton for like 6 months. I got addicted to the bidets. So every place I live at, I order bidets for the toilet. So when I came in here, after taking that long flight from Jersey, 14 hours from Newark to here, took me 45 minutes on the train. Had to take 2 or 3 trains to get here from the airport. And I had to take that dump. I had to drop that dump truck off. The seat was warm. Oh man. Now, this bed don't look too comfortable, but this place had a lot of great reviews. It's in the middle of everything. Got me some yen. I'm finna go set some yen on fire today. Go set me some yen on fire. This is just probably like, it's something light. This ain't much. I didn't want to get too many yen because they just feel funny, man. I'm an international coon, man. I got some euros, I got some yen, I got some pesos, I got some dollars. This only like $200, I think. And so that was the train ticket from the train to monorail. Took me 730 yen to get here. All right, let me show y'all what I'm shooting with today. I got the DJI Pocket 3 with the mic minis. Been traveling with the Coyote Peak Design bags. Been beating them up. All right, so this is like my official vacation. I tell people all the time, when I go to DR, it ain't no vacation to me. Shout out to Fast Freddy for handling a lot of my business. Shout out to my realtor. Shout out to my lawyer. Shout out to all the homies. Spent about 2 weeks in DR. Did a lot of work. Got a lot of work done. Stay tuned. We got a property in Playa Chiquita. We got all the permits. Got everything approved. So about to start building. Should everything go right, we'll start building next month. And in Playa Chiquita, we got those 6 lofts going up. I got 2 already sold. I got 4 lofts left. I got 2 bedrooms left, and I got 2 1-bedrooms left. The 1 is sold, and the 2-bedroom, 2-bath loft is sold. All right, so bam. So let's go. I got that out the way. We finna go explore, go dabble in a little debauchery. Let me set my little cameras up. And all right, guys, we finna get out here and get into some of these Shinjuku streets. All right, so looks like this little city center over there. Man, I'm gonna tell y'all, like my partner told me, if y'all got a shit on the plane, y'all playing poorly. All right, guys, it is All right, so I'm gonna rip and run with y'all real quick. There's 3 or 4 bars around here that we're gonna go check out real quick. See, everybody got their bikes. All right, we're gonna walk down here and see if we can find one of these little drinking bars. So I flew from Puerto Plata. I always stay in Jersey one night at my favorite hotel where everybody knows my name. Everybody knows my name. I think that's like a pizza. Then flew to Japan, 14 hours. Just a bunch of little bars out here. I'm gonna get me some ramen in a minute. Y'all know I like my soup. But if y'all been in Japan before, drop a comment below and tell me what's your favorite part of Japan you like going to. So this is my real vacation. So I'm gonna stay in Japan, Shinjuku, for like 4 days before I go back to work in Guam. Give me some real soup. Hey, bow leg. Find me a bar to go to. Man, I forgot I got about 40 goddamn cigars in the goddamn thing. Oof. All right, so they got like a red light district about 15 minutes from here. Of course, Mr. Dabble and Travel, Mr. Travel Debauchery, Mr. Travel and Find the Fuckery gonna go check out that. Oof. I ain't gonna lie, bro, it's cold as a bitch out here. What the fuck is that? All right, man, drop me a comment below and let me know what y'all favorite part of Tokyo is, or favorite part of Japan. Brick Street. I'm in the right place. I'm on Brick Street. I'm gonna follow one of these stores, give me some of these in a minute. Got a 7-Eleven. Brick Street. I'm seeing a lot of anime type chicks. Boy got that Gucci bucket on. I found the Gucci store too. My hotel at. eat, man. Pardon me. Alright guys, I'm about to turn this camera off real quick and get me some food out of here. Cause this seems like the place to be. Let me do my Black Anthony Bourdain shit real quick. And I'll be right back. Thanks.